Hey folks, this is Joe with Aegis Tactical. I'm here today to talk to you about the Glock Blue Label Program. Folks, this is a program developed by Glock to thank the heroes of this country. Folks, if you are active sworn law enforcement, retired law enforcement, EMS, fire, paramedic, active military, retired military, you qualify for this program. Corrections officers, probation officers, parole officers, there's a whole list of people that qualify for this program. With this program, you get a drastic savings off of Glock products. Stop in at Aegis Tactical today. We're located right off of State Road 70 at 5103 Lena Road. It's right here in Lakewood Ranch. Stop in. We'll talk to you about this program, see if you qualify, and if you can get a great savings off these Glock pistols. Folks, this is a way Glock is thanking the heroes of this country. Just as a reminder, folks, if you see a law enforcement officer out there, a fireman out there, military personnel out there, thank them for what they do. They are here for you. They are protecting you. Take a minute and thank them. Have a great day.